Hello everyone, and welcome back to another JavaScript tutorial. In today's lesson, we're focusing on converting a CSV string into 2D array of objects. This format is commonly used in web applications for importing or exporting structured data. Our goal is to transform each row of the CSV into an object, where the keys come from the first row and the values from the corresponding rows. Let's dive into the process. Our task is to process CSV data and represent it in a more structured way, as an array of objects. Each object represents a row, with keys derived from the first row, which is the title row, and values from the subsequent rows. Here's how the code works. We extract the titles from the first row of the CSV string using the slice and split method. We then remove the title row and split the remaining rows using the split. For each row, we split it into values and use the reduce method to create an object by mapping the titles to their corresponding values. The final result is an array of objects, one for each row of the CSV. Let's break down step by step. First, we extract the titles from the first row of the CSV string, which serve as keys for the object. Next, we split the remaining rows into individual strings. For each row, we split it further into values. Using the reduce method, we map these values to the corresponding titles, creating an object for each row. Finally, we combine all these objects into a single array and return it. Here's an example. The input CSV string is call1, call2, break, A, B, break, C, D. We extract the titles in the array call1 and call2. Then, we process the rows in the array A, B, and C, D. For each row, we map the titles to the corresponding values, creating objects like call1 A and call2 B. Finally, we combine all objects into an array. This example demonstrates the entire workflow. This ES6 version uses modern JavaScript features for cleaner and more concise code. It uses arrow functions to improve readability, default parameters make it easy to specify the delimiter. The logic remains the same, but is streamlined for better efficiency and clarity. In summary, this program is a robust solution for converting CSV strings into JSON arrays. It is flexible enough to handle dynamic title rows and custom delimiters, making it an essential tool for working with structured data in JavaScript. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.